cheese and peppers and bacon. Mmm. Hey guys, so we are on our 34 in Florida. And what does a truck driver do on a 34? Well, for starters, we got to get some Clint Eastwood. It ain't a weekend without some Clint Eastwood. So we had Pale Rider going here, and we got the kitchen open up again.
Hey guys.
What's going on in the kitchen today?
We are gonna wash these jalapenos up. I should be getting some gloves out to do that, so I don't burn my hands or burn my eyes when I touch them with my hands.
Yeah, you don't want to be messing with jalapenos and then touching stuff.
No, you don't. So, but we're gonna slice them open, stuff them with cream cheese, a few spices, wrap them in bacon, and bake them up in the toaster oven.
All right, well, let's see how this goes. Okay, so I watched a video on a fella that made these, and I don't remember exactly how he did it. But you cut the tops off, and then what I did with the first one here is just kept going around and around on the inside to get all of the seeds out and the I don't know what you call that stuff on the inside, the meat of it out, I guess. And so we're gonna try it like that and see what that does.
Hey guys, we are just gonna cut the tops off these and then cut them, split them down the middle. You see I got a glove on, so I won't touch as many of the seeds because they're so hot. But we're gonna do them two different ways. We're gonna go ahead and take the insides out. Oops, there goes a seed of these. Just get everything out of there. I'm making it harder because I'm trying not to touch anything. I do this with my finger. There, it's a whole lot easier. I've got that gloved hand. Okay, so we're gonna stuff these with the cream cheese mixture and then bacon wrap them. And then Don wanted to leave his whole, so we're gonna stuff these and leave them whole. So we're gonna bacon wrap them. So we can't wait to see how it turns out. Okay, so we got the cream cheese mixture mixed up here. In this,
What's in that cheese mixture?
Well, it's the cream cheese. This is from Aldi's. Any cream cheese you like will do. We put a little Fiesta blend cheese. I'm not sure what all is in there. Mozzarella. I'm not sure what all is in there. I think maybe Colby's in there. Yeah, they can read that. A little salt and pepper and garlic. We didn't have onion powder on the truck, and it's not Dawn's favorite, so we didn't do the onion powder. So you guys we'll let you know how that turns out. So anyway, I mixed it up in this little paper bowl, just about ripped it all to pieces to do that, but I didn't want to wash a bowl. So we're going to take...
And we lined the pan with parchment paper.
Yeah, so there won't be a mess everywhere.
Make it easier on the cleanup.
Yeah, so we're just going to take some of these peppers and we're going to stuff them with the cream cheese mixture.
Oh, hey, wait a minute. I changed my mind where I had left my peppers whole. I thought that's going to be way too hard to get them things stuffed. So I cut mine in half too.
Yeah, and this is the first time we've ever made these, so we learned something after we'd already did it. Don't cut those caps off. Leave those caps on and still slice them whole or slice them in two or leave them whole. But I think those caps will probably help keep everything inside a little bit better.
See, what we run into here is I've cut the ends right off, you know, where the cap is. And we're not sure if everything's going to leak out that end there or not. So we'll find out.
Okay, then we're going to wrap them in this bacon and then just pop them in the oven and see how they turn out. We'll let you know.
Cool.
Okay, so we got all the peppers stuffed, got the cream cheese mixture inside, and got them all bacon wrapped. We've got 6 on this little tray that fits in this toaster oven. As you can see, it's full. So this thing gets really hot and we're still getting used to it as well. So the recipe says 400. We're gonna do 350 and see how that turns out. So about 20-25 minutes. The recipe says we may not need that long, we'll see. Okay, here's our finished product.
Well, that looks good. So there you go, guys. Keto jalapeno poppers in a tractor trailer. We'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye, y'all.